Hello and welcome back to my channel where we discuss the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to talk about the future of AI and space exploration. As we enter a new era of space exploration, the role of AI in this field is becoming increasingly important. In this video, we're going to explore how AI is changing the way we explore space and what the future holds for this exciting field. As we look towards the future of space exploration, one of the most exciting developments is the increasing use of artificial intelligence. AI has already been used in space exploration for some time, but recent advancements are opening up new possibilities for the future. One of the primary advantages of AI in space exploration is its ability to process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. With AI, we can analyze data from space missions in real time, making it easier to make informed decisions and adjust our approach as needed. This is particularly important when exploring environments that are dangerous or difficult to access, such as other planets or moons. But AI isn't just useful for processing data. It's also being used to help us explore space in new ways. For example, AI-powered robots can be sent to other planets or moons to explore them in ways that humans simply can't. These robots can take risks and explore areas that would be too dangerous for humans to go, providing us with valuable information and insights into these worlds. But the possibilities go even further. As we continue to develop AI, we may one day be able to send autonomous missions to other planets, without any human intervention at all. These missions could be designed to explore specific areas, gather data, or even build structures on other planets. Of course, there are also risks associated with the increasing use of AI in space exploration. For example, if we rely too heavily on AI, we may miss important discoveries or fail to recognize the significance of certain data. Additionally, there are concerns about AI-powered robots becoming too autonomous, potentially making decisions that could put human lives at risk. Despite these risks, however, the future of AI in space exploration is incredibly exciting. With AI, we have the potential to explore new worlds and make discoveries that we never thought possible. As we continue to develop and refine this technology, the possibilities will only continue to grow. So, what does the future hold for AI and space exploration? It's impossible to predict exactly what will happen, but there are a few key areas where we can expect to see significant advancements. One of the most exciting areas of development is the use of AI to support human exploration of space. With AI, we can create advanced systems that can assist astronauts on long-duration missions, help with tasks like navigation and communication, and even provide medical assistance in emergencies. Additionally, AI is likely to play a critical role in the development of new space technologies, such as reusable spacecraft, advanced propulsion systems, and more. With AI, we can simulate complex systems and designs, allowing us to refine and improve them before we build physical prototypes. Finally, AI will continue to be an important tool for processing data from space missions, helping us to make sense of the vast amounts of information we gather from other planets and moons. As we continue to explore these worlds, AI will help us to identify new discoveries, make sense of complex data, and push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome as we move towards a future of AI-powered space exploration. One of the biggest challenges is developing AI systems that can operate reliably in the harsh environments of space. Radiation, extreme temperatures, and other environmental factors can all impact the performance of AI systems, making it critical that we develop technology that can withstand these conditions. Another challenge is ensuring that we use AI ethically in space exploration. As we send robots and autonomous missions to other planets, we must ensure that they do not harm the environments they are exploring or interfere with the potential for life on other worlds. Additionally, we must consider the potential impact of AI on our own planet and society, ensuring that we use this technology for the greater good. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in space exploration are too great to ignore. By leveraging the power of AI, we can unlock new discoveries, explore new worlds, and push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. As we look towards the future of space exploration, AI will undoubtedly play a critical role in shaping this exciting field. So, what can we expect in the years and decades to come? It's impossible to predict with certainty, but one thing is clear. The future of AI and space exploration is bright. We can expect to see advancements in areas such as autonomous missions, human support systems, and data processing, all powered by the latest AI technology. As we continue to explore the universe and learn more about the cosmos, AI will be there to help us make sense of it all. By working together, humans and machines can push the boundaries of what we know and unlock the secrets of the universe. Now, let's dive deeper into what we can expect in terms of specific advancements and breakthroughs in the future of AI and space exploration. One area that is expected to see significant progress is autonomous missions. In the past, space missions have typically required extensive input and control from humans back on Earth. However, with advancements in AI, we can expect to see more missions that are able to operate autonomously, making decisions and performing tasks without the need for constant human intervention. This will not only make missions more efficient, but also enable us to explore areas that are currently too dangerous or difficult for human astronauts to reach. For example, autonomous missions could be used to explore the surfaces of distant planets or asteroids, gather samples, and conduct experiments without risking human life. Another area of advancement is in human support systems. As we look towards longer-term space missions, such as manned missions to Mars, we will need to develop technology that can support human life in space for extended periods of time. This will require advanced AI systems that can monitor human health, predict and prevent potential issues, and assist with tasks such as navigation and communication. AI-powered support systems could also be used to assist astronauts during spacewalks, helping them to navigate and perform tasks more efficiently and safely. Additionally, AI could be used to develop personalized diets and exercise routines for astronauts, ensuring that they remain healthy and in peak physical condition during their missions. Another area where AI is expected to play a critical role is in data processing. With the vast amounts of data being collected by space missions, we will need advanced AI systems that can analyze and make sense of this data quickly and efficiently. AI-powered data processing could be used to identify patterns and anomalies in data, helping us to discover new phenomena and make groundbreaking scientific discoveries. For example, AI could be used to identify new planets, galaxies, or even potential signs of extraterrestrial life. As we continue to explore the universe and make new discoveries, it's clear that AI will be a critical tool in our toolkit. With its ability to process data, make decisions, and operate autonomously, AI will help us to push the boundaries of what we know and unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Of course, as we embrace AI in space exploration, we must also consider the potential risks and ethical implications of this technology. As I mentioned earlier, we must ensure that our use of AI is in line with our values and does not harm the environments we are exploring or interfere with the potential for life on other worlds. Additionally, we must consider the potential impact of AI on our own society. As AI becomes more advanced and powerful, it's possible that it could have far-reaching consequences on our economy, job market, and way of life. It's important that we continue to have open and transparent discussions about the responsible use of AI and work towards creating a future where this technology benefits everyone. In conclusion, the future of AI and space exploration is incredibly exciting. With the potential for breakthroughs in autonomous missions, human support systems, and data processing, we can expect to see incredible discoveries and advancements in the years and decades to come. However, as we move forward, it's important that we do so responsibly and ethically. By considering the potential risks and implications of AI, we can ensure that we use this technology to explore and discover in a way that benefits everyone. Thank you for watching this video on the future of AI and space exploration. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. And as always, leave your thoughts and comments down below. What do you think about the future of AI and space exploration? Let's keep the conversation going.